Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get up to $1 million in funding for your e-commerce business. If you have a Shopify store, an Amazon business, an eBay business, an Etsy business, we're going to talk about how you can get up to $1 million to grow your business in this video. So you definitely want to watch this entire video so you can know the requirements and what you need to do to obtain this funding. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos, because I do drop videos frequently throughout the week on business credit, ways to make money online, as well as business grants and a little bit of information about personal credit. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. So this particular company is called Seller Funding. They have a e-commerce funding program that's going to allow you to get up to $1 million for your business in as little as 48 hours. They're not doing any hard credit checks on your personal credit. It's just a soft pull to do a pre-qualification. So there is no effects to your credit whatsoever. Now we're going to talk about the requirements and how much sales that you need to have in order to get qualified and things like that. There is no minimum credit requirement for this. So what this program is going to do is going to allow you to get access to working capital to scale your business fast, to help grow your business even quicker than before. It's a very quick and easy process. What you're going to do is you're going to connect your e-commerce platform to Seller Funding, and they're going to be able to give you capital by looking at your revenue and seeing how much revenue that you have coming into your business. So as we all know, this is very important to have funding for your business, especially if you are in the e-commerce space, because e-commerce is growing very fast, especially right now during this pandemic. More and more people are shopping online, and e-commerce businesses are growing at a rapid rate. So if you ain't started your e-commerce business yet, then you need to start one. I have one that I am working on right now as well. So with this working capital, you can launch new products without having to sacrifice other inventory, scale your advertising to reach new customers through various online channels, expand globally to new markets and countries, and stock up for increased season sales. So this is how it works. You're going to sign up and apply. You're going to sign up for free on the Sellers Funding app. There's going to be a link in the description that you can click on and get started with right away as you're watching this video, so you can listen to the instructions and follow along. So you're going to start your pre-qualification application. Again, it's going to be a soft pull. They're not going to do a hard credit check or anything like that. They're going to look at your personal credit, of course, for this particular funding. It's going to take less than 3 minutes. So you're going to be able to connect your Amazon store, your Shopify store, your Stripe account, your eBay, your Etsy, your Walmart seller account, or even Magento. They also connect with that e-commerce website building platform as well. It's 100% safe. Once you begin your application process, you'll be taken to the Connect Your e-commerce store system that's going to allow you to connect everything together. So step 3, you're going to pre-qualify for a designated amount. You're going to get an approval within 48 hours. Their machine learning financial modeling system will analyze your store and the sales to determine the pre-approval funding amount. So I'm going to talk about the minimum sales amount here in just a second. If you are approved, an agreement will be sent to you within 24 to 48 hours. And then on step 4, you're going to receive your funds. Once you have signed your agreement, you'll receive your funds in under 48 business hours. So very, very quickly. And you can also only withdraw funds when you need it. So that's pretty much it. That's straightforward on the steps. So e-commerce funding is different from traditional loans or an investor. As an e-commerce seller or brand, you need to move quickly. The faster you double or triple your sales, the greater need for working capital to reinvest back into things that matter, like inventory, advertising, and new products. Unfortunately, traditional lenders or investors just don't understand e-commerce businesses. Traditional lenders do not understand the nature of e-commerce, so they ask for unnecessary amounts of paperwork. So if you are in e-commerce, you know that you need to have cash flow coming in. And sometimes these payment processors or even eBay or Etsy or Amazon will hold your money for long periods of time. It can be very scary. So you do need funding to keep that business growing. The first business that I was ever successful with was e-commerce, and I had this problem with not being able to have funding and cash flow when I had my PayPal account shut down, Stripe account shut down, and all of that kind of stuff, and it really messed up my business. So this is very important. You have to have business funding, business capital, especially for an e-commerce business, because it has to keep going. You have to ship out products. You have to get everything moving smoothly, and it has to stay moving smoothly even if you have hiccups, because merchant accounts are known to pause your account or hold your funds, especially if you're selling very quickly. So this is just like a little table kind of comparing things to other lenders and other investors. So the difference between seller funding and these other companies is that you can get your money quickly, 90 days, APR as low as 12.5%. Terms of advance is short. It's between 6 and 18 months. You can get up to $1 million. No impact on your credit score. And there is no prepayment penalty. So what you need to actually qualify is you need to actually have at least $20,000 in net sales per month on your Shopify store, Etsy store, Amazon store, eBay store, whatever platform that you're using. If you have your own store that's not on any of those platforms, but you use Stripe to process payments, you need to show at least $20,000 in net sales per month for at least 6 months. So it's kind of high, but for e-commerce, it's really not that high. So you're not committing to anything by applying and seeing what you are able to get. They only do a soft pull on your credit, no hard pull. They do the soft pull on your personal credit. There is no minimum score required. And also, if you have funding with other programs like Amazon Lending, you still can get sellers funding, and their funding rates vary from 12.5% to 24.99 APR. So their revenue advance rates start at 3%. So they're going to be advancing again on your revenue. So they got to see how much revenue you're making, and it starts at 3% of that. So in order to apply, again, you're going to click the link in the description. Oh, by the way, they also have very good reviews. They're a very reputable company, so you can go look at Trustpilot. They have 238 reviews, excellent rating, 4.5 stars. So if you want to apply, when you click the link in the description, you are going to be taken to the home page, and this is what it's going to look like. And all you have to do is click right here where it says get funded, and you're going to register for your account. You're going to create your account. You're going to connect your merchant accounts, and you're going to go through the pre-qualification process. Again, it's not going to hurt your credit. You have nothing to lose to see if you can get some funding for your e-commerce business. So again, if you want to go ahead and apply, click the link down in the description, click on get funding, and create your account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications when I drop new videos. Make sure that you like this video if you found this video valuable, and also comment down below if you have any questions.